Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the follower object and a move trigger. Give both the object and the trigger the same group ID so they reference each other. Place the object near the player where the follow should begin. Think offset and orientation now. Then open the move trigger and choose continuous updates or zero delay so it keeps applying movement. Once done, set the trigger's target to the follower group ID and prepare for the next step where you lock movement to the player. Now you make the follower use the player as its motion source. In the move trigger, choose position targeting or relative movement and specify the player as the reference point via the editor's player option or by using the player group ID. Enter offset values so the object keeps the right spacing. You might use 0 for exact overlap or +/-X and Y for side or above offsets. Make sure to reduce the update interval to a small value. This keeps the follow smooth without visible jitter. Finish by tuning responsiveness and fixing common problems. Change easing and speed in the move trigger so the follower does not lag behind or oscillate. Subtle easing often looks best. Playtest the segment repeatedly, observing collisions and camera behavior, then tweak offsets and update rate to eliminate clipping. If the follower fails to track, double-check that group ID match, the trigger targets the right object, and the update frequency is high enough. If issues persist, temporarily disable other triggers to isolate conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.